Problem 1. The graph of a system of a linear equation and a nonlinear equation is shown. What is the solution x, comma, y to this system? We can see in the graph that the linear equation is represented by the straight line, while the nonlinear equation is represented by the curved line. The solution to a system of equations is the point where the two lines intersect. The intersection is at the point enclosed in red. The x-axis value is 4, and the y-axis value is 5. Therefore, the coordinate of the intersection point is 4, 5. Remember that in coordinate points, the x value comes first, followed by the y value. Problem 2. On the first day of a semester, a film club has 90 members. Each day after the first day of the semester, 10 new members join the film club. If no members leave the film club, how many total members will the film club have 4 days after the first day of the semester? First, we will create a table. The problem states that on the first day, there are 90 members. After 1 day, 10 more members join, making a total of 100 members. Similarly, after 2 days, there will be 110 members. After 3 days, there will be 120 members. After 4 days, there will be 130 members. So the correct answer is 130 members. Problem 3. The graph of the linear function f is shown, where y equals f of x. What is the y-intercept of the graph of f? Remember, the y-intercept is the point where x is 0, and the x-intercept is the point where y is 0. We can see that where x is 0, y is 8, so the point we are looking for is 0, 8. Problem 4. What is the solution r, s to the given system of equations? If we substitute r equals 3 into the first equation, we get s plus 3 times 7 equals 27. Simplifying, s plus 21 equals 27, and solving for s, we get s equals 27 minus 21, or 6. The solution r, s to the system of equations is 3, 6. Problem 5. The table shows selected values from function f. Which of the following is the best description of function f? Let's graph this function on the coordinate plane. First, we draw the x-axis and the y-axis. Notice that the y-axis starts at 15, so we can fit the values within the graph. Now, we plot the points. -1, 16, 0, 17, 1, 18, and 2, 19. We can see that the function forms a straight line and is increasing because as x increases, y also increases. Problem 6. The graph of a system of linear equations is shown. The solution to the system is x, y. What is the value of x? Do you remember problem 1? This is the same idea. The solution is the intersection point. At this point, the x value is 4. Problem 7. What is the range of the 7 scores shown? The range is equal to the maximum value minus the minimum value. Looking at the list, the maximum value is 52, and the minimum value is 23. So the range is 52 minus 23, which equals 29. Problem 8. In the figure, line M is parallel to line N, and line K intersects both lines. Which of the following statements is true? Remember this fact. When two lines cross, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent angles sum to 180 degrees. Since x and 145 degrees are opposite angles, they are equal, so the value of x is 145 degrees. Problem 9. The equation x plus y equals 1440 represents the number of minutes of daylight between sunrise and sunset, x, and the number of minutes of non-daylight, y, on a particular day in Oak Park, Illinois. If this day has 670 minutes of daylight, how many minutes of non-daylight does it have? Basically, x represents the minutes of daylight, and y represents the minutes of non-daylight. So 670 is equal to x. Now solving the equation, x plus y is 1440. Y is equal to 1440 minus x, or 1440 minus 670. That is equal to 770. Problem 10. If 4x minus 28 equals negative 24, what is the value of x minus 7? If you have a good eye, you can simply divide everything by 4. On the left side, 4x divided by 4 is x, and negative 28 divided by 4 is negative 7. On the right side, negative 24 divided by 4 is negative 6. So x minus 7 is negative 6. The second solution is solving for x. 4x equals negative 24 plus 28, which is 4. Dividing by 4, x equals 1. So x minus 7 equals 1 minus 7, which equals negative 6.